Hello everyone. Did you know that 70% of businesses fail within 10 years because they cannot adapt to challenges? It's true. Challenges are part of every journey, but how businesses respond to them determines their success. In this lecture, we will explore strategies for overcoming market shifts, economic downturns, and internal obstacles. At the end of this lecture, you will understand why adaptation is critical for success. Learn strategies for responding to market shifts and economic challenges. Explore ways to address internal obstacles effectively. Adapting to challenges is essential for survival and growth. Businesses operate in dynamic environments where markets change, economies fluctuate, and internal issues arise. Consider Netflix. The company started as a DVD rental service. When streaming technology emerged, Netflix shifted its business model, leaving competitors like Blockbuster behind. Its ability to adapt turned it into a global leader in entertainment. Adaptation does not mean changing everything. It means recognizing problems, analyzing options, and finding solutions that align with the company's goals. Think of challenges as roadblocks on a highway. If you encounter one, you do not stop your journey. Instead, you find a detour, fix the issue, or change your route. Businesses face similar situations. Adapting to challenges ensures they stay on course and reach their destination even when the path gets tough. Markets evolve due to changing customer preferences, technology, advancements, and competition. Businesses that identify these shifts early can stay ahead. Apple provides a great example. When smartphones became popular, Apple did not stop at hardware. It created the App Store, giving users access to a wide range of applications. This move kept Apple at the forefront of the tech industry. To adapt to market shifts, businesses should monitor trends and customer feedback regularly, innovate to meet new demands, be willing to let go of outdated products or services. Economic challenges like recessions affect all businesses. During tough times, companies must focus on efficiency and resilience. For instance, during the 2008 financial crisis, Ford Motor Company avoided bankruptcy by restructuring its operations and focusing on its core strengths. This strategy helped Ford recover while others struggled. Strategies for overcoming economic challenges include cutting unnecessary expenses without compromising quality, diversifying revenue streams to reduce dependency on one market, strengthening customer relationships to build loyalty. Internal challenges such as poor communication or lack of resources can hinder growth. Addressing these obstacles is vital for maintaining efficiency and morale. Google is an example of a company that prioritizes addressing internal issues. Through open communication and employee feedback programs, Google ensures that problems are identified and resolved quickly. To handle internal obstacles, businesses should encourage open communication among teams, provide training and resources to employees, foster a positive work culture that supports collaboration. Adaptation requires a mix of strategies tailored to specific challenges, whether responding to market shifts, economic pressures, or internal issues. Businesses must stay flexible and proactive. Take Starbucks, for example. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the company adapted by expanding its mobile ordering and delivery services. This quick response allowed Starbucks to maintain its revenue and customer base despite disruptions. Choose a business that has successfully adapted to challenges. Write a one-page report explaining the challenges they faced and how they responded and the outcome of their adaptation. In summary, adapting to challenges is a key skill for businesses. Strategies like responding to market shifts, overcoming economic downturns, and addressing internal obstacles ensure long term success. What challenges have you seen businesses overcome? Do you think adapting quickly or carefully is more effective? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.